If you want to change the background in CapCut using green screen, this tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to import your footage, place the background correctly, remove the green screen, and get a clean professional result. This is a great skill for making content look more polished, whether you're creating videos for YouTube, social media, presentations, or short-form edits. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut desktop app on your computer. Once you're inside the editor, look for the Import button. Click it and upload both of the files you need. You should bring in your new background first, which can be a photo or a video, and then upload your green screen footage as well. Importing both files at the start makes the whole process much smoother because everything will already be ready to place on the timeline. Now it's time to arrange your timeline correctly. This part is very important because the layer order determines what shows on top and what appears in the background. Take your new background file and drag it onto the bottom video track in the timeline. Then drag your green screen video onto the track directly above it. CapCut uses layering, so whatever is on the top track will appear in front, and whatever is on the bottom track will serve as the background. If the layers are reversed, the effect won't work properly, so double check that your background is underneath and your green screen clip is above it. Once your clips are in the right place, click on the green screen video in the timeline to select it. You'll know it's selected when it becomes highlighted. This step tells CapCut that you want to edit the foreground clip, not the background clip underneath it. If you accidentally select the background, the green screen removal options won't apply to the correct layer. Next, go to the editing panel on the top right side of your screen. From there, click on the Video tab. Inside the video settings, look for the Remove BG option. This is where CapCut gives you the tools to eliminate the green background from your footage. Once you click Remove BG, you'll see the Chroma Key feature. Check the box next to Chroma Key to turn it on. Chroma Key is the feature that makes green screen editing possible because it lets CapCut detect and remove a specific color from your video. After enabling Chroma Key, it's time to choose the exact color you want to remove. Click the color picker, which looks like an eyedropper icon. Then move your cursor into the preview window and click directly on the green area of your video. CapCut will sample that color and remove it from the clip, allowing your background image or video to show through behind your subject. If the green screen was evenly lit, this usually gives you a very clean result right away. If the edges don't look perfect, you can often adjust the Chroma Key settings further to improve the blend. Depending on your footage, you may need to refine the strength or shadow tolerance so the subject looks more natural against the new background. A well-lit green screen always works best, so if you ever see rough edges, it usually means the original lighting needs a little improvement. But for most clips, just selecting the right green color is enough to make the effect look great. At this point, you should be able to see your subject placed over the new background. Play the video back in the preview window and make sure everything looks smooth and realistic. If something seems off, go back and make sure the background is on the bottom track, the green screen clip is on the top track, and the correct green color has been selected with the eyedropper. Those 3 steps are the key to getting this effect working properly in CapCut. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background in CapCut using green screen. This is one of the easiest ways to create a clean, professional-looking edit without needing advanced editing skills. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.